everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to go over my intermediate combo to Light Switch by Charlie Puth. If you don't know some of the steps in this combo, go ahead and find my Tap Step Tutorials playlist down in my description box below. I have a lot of videos and a lot of tutorials in that playlist, and if there are any steps that you don't know here, go ahead and find them in that playlist, learn them, and then come back to finish learning this tutorial. Also, once you're finished learning the dance in this video, you can find the short that I posted earlier this week where I do the dance with music, and that will also be in my description box below. So once you learn the dance here, you can go ahead and go over to the short and try the dance with music. All right, well, let's get started here. So we start dig, toe, right, left, and it's just dig, toe, dig, toe. We have a paradiddle on the right and then a paradiddle on the left, but the paradiddle on the left is different from the right. The right one is just a straight 1, 2, 3, 4. The left one is going to be 1, 2, 3, hold, then you're going to drop the heel. Okay, so from the top, it's dig, toe, paradiddle. And then you're going to repeat that again. So we do that once, and then we repeat again, same side. Dig, toe, paradiddle. Okay, so 2 times through of that. And then, third time, we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to do 2 dig toes. Right, left again. All of this still on the right side. We're going to go dig, spank, ball change on the right. That's dig, spank, ball, change. We're going to stomp on the right foot and chug. Okay? So it's almost as though you're starting it like a paradiddle, but you're going into the ball change instead of a step heel. So the third time is dig, dig, spank, ball, change, stomp, chug. Let's put all 3 together. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Dig, toe, paradiddle. Again, dig, toe. Third time, dig, toe, spank, ball, change, stomp, chug. From here, left foot's up, so we're going to use left foot. We're going to do 4 drawbacks. Left, right. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I have tip, heel, or toe heel, and then stomp. Okay? So it's 4 drawbacks starting on the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tip, heel, stomp. And then we're just going to repeat that whole thing all over again. So 2 times through from the top. Let's go ahead and give that a try. So from the top, and if ever I'm going too fast, you can always slow the video down, pause the video, or rewind if you didn't quite catch what I did in a certain area. So just remember, you have all those tools at your disposal. So 2 times through total, starting from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Dig, toe, paradiddle. Again. Third time, dig, toe, spank, ball, change, draw back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, dig, toe. Again. Last time. Drawbacks. Good. From here, on your right foot, you're going to do a back essence. So it's going to go stomp, brush, ball, change, stomp. Yeah? Right foot. Stomp, brush, ball, change, stomp, and then we're going to do a double cramp roll on the right. And there's going to be a slight pause between the brush of the double cramp roll and the actual cramp roll. So brush, and then the cramp roll part. Okay, so that's stomp, stomp, brush, ball, change, stomp, brush, cramp roll. Try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. And we're going to do that 2 times through. So we have, here we go. Let's give that a try 2 times through. 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. And then from here, you're going to do another back essence on the right. And then from here, shuffle, ball, change on the right. Shuffle, ball, change. And that shuffle, ball, change is going to be fairly slow. So compared to like the cramp rolls, this one's actually going to be very slow, very drawn out. Once we finish there with the shuffle ball change, you're going to step right, left, and those steps are going to go out. And then you're going to pull your feet together, and that happens on walk, pull on, away. And you're going to go into a crawl from here. Heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, 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 heel. So that's right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. And then there's a little click, and you're going to do the tap on the click. And the crawl goes with, you turn me on like a light switch, and then the click is with the tap. So we just went walk, away, we're pulling. Then you have heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, 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 heel. And that's where I ended the video. So let's walk it through from the top, nice and slow. And then I'll do it 2 more times. First time I'll talk you through it. Second time we'll just go for it like we're doing it with music, but there won't be music. All right, from the top, dig toe, slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. Dig toe, paradiddle. Again. Last one. Drawbacks. Again, dig toe. Last one. Drawback. Back essence. Cramp roll. Shuffle ball change. Step, step, pull, crawl. Nicely done. All right, let's try that again. Up to tempo now, so we're going faster from the top, and I'll still talk you through it. So here we go. And here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Paradiddle. Last one. Drawback. Again. Good. Last one. Back essence. Shuffle ball change. Step, step, pull. Heel, heel, toe, toe. Hit. Nice. All right, one more time. Same tempo as that, except I'm not going to talk you through it. Okay, here we go. Last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Nicely done. All right, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe for new tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday. If you have a song suggestion or step suggestion, let me know down in the comments section below, and I'll try to get to them as soon as possible. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.